Welcome to Positive Change. In this video, we are going to discuss about the transformation power, or we can say the power to transform. In our last video, I promise you I am going to come back with the same subject again. Yes, this is that video. We are going to talking about the same transformation. You know, we all are part of one family. If I remain aware that as fellow human beings, we are all part of one family and that even the smallest of gesture can make a difference in people's life. I am always blessed with a caring heart. It takes so little to show that I care, it can mean so much. Okay, let's dive into the topic. We all look to the world and its different situation with a positive attitude, and no one wants to be negative in their approach in facing them. Yet when they come, we are all not able to transform them with ease, and at times situations can be so powerful that many days can be spent in finding ways in overcoming them, and life can become a struggle for many. Such a life in which you are not at peace in the presence of negative situation is not something you like, but at the same time, it is something which is not in the control of many of us. What that means is that a mind without positivity is difficult to remain calm, and that means feeling a lack of power and also a lack of joy, contentment. Such a mind is not able to solve the problem that is in front of us, and in instead will be confused and will fear the situation. A beautiful way of keeping the mind positive in a negative situation is to keep a powerful thought diary with you. What that means is create one affirmation or positive statement each day and note it down in your mind, and keep that positive thought in your mind the whole day. Let it touch your subconscious mind so deeply that its effect travels in the form of positive energy outwards to the situation. I am sure it will change in a short period of time. Do you know that if you spend a complete day in one particular powerful thought of success, repeating it in your mind many times, you will not only be free of negativity but also have the authority to erase the negative situation completely from your life. Yeah, such a thought gives rise to positive feeling, and then slowly our attitude towards the situation becomes completely positive, resulting in a positive destination or a situation in return. Try doing this the next time you face a negative situation, and you will realize how it works. Hope you like this video. Today